Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Welcome back everyone. Today's DIY, guys, I will be starting the Future DIY Project series. And this Future DIY project will be the serving tray, which I will be doing an upscale on. So right here, guys, I'm doing a precursor to that because I'm going to redesign the glass plate that goes to that tray, and I'm going to do that by using fabric. So I need to do a practice run to make sure it's going to turn out right. So I'm going to practice on this small plate by applying glue and fabric. And now that my glue is ready, I'm going to cover the back of my plate. Here I'm cutting out the design from this handkerchief, and I'm going to place the right side of this fabric on top of the back of the plate. Once I have it in position, I just go ahead and smooth it in place, making sure I push the sides down around the edge of the plate. And I use the clear, guys, because you know that just in case the Mod Podge glue doesn't dry right, you know it's white before it turns clear. But this is how it looks with the clear school glue and water mixture. And I used more glue than water. Now I'm going to seal this after I let it dry a little bit, just a little, maybe like a half an hour. Now I'm just applying just straight Mod Podge glue. And I do the same thing, make sure that all my sides are smoothed down around the edge and across the top. But you know what I also realized about this, guys? This fabric, I should have pressed it a little bit or steamed it out a little bit, because later in the video I'm going to show you where there's a crease, like an air bubble crease, or a crease that has air in it. You'll see the difference slightly. I know I do. So I'll know to press my fabric before placing it on the back of my glass. And see, this is what I mean. See the crisscross? That's from the fold of the fabric. And then the glue did turn white after all. And this is what it looks like dry, like a day and a half later. And I can still see the lines. So right here, guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut off the edges, make it nice and neat. After removing that excess fabric, this is the final result. I think it turned out good, so now let's try it on the real project. Right here, I make sure all wrinkles and creases are steamed out of my fabric. Once my fabric is situated, then I go ahead and clean off my tray. Once my tray is all clean, I move forward with the same procedure that I did for the glass plate. I do the same thing for the glass tray. Using the leftover glue mix, I'm making sure that it is applied evenly on the surface of my glass. And once I'm sure that my glue is applied evenly, then I move forward with putting my fabric over top of it and making sure that the right side goes on top of the glass. Then I just go ahead and smooth it out, get rid of any air bubbles. And while I was doing that, guys, these little pellets, and I guess it's from the clear glue, look like little pieces of tapioca. I just wanted to collect a few and show you what I was going through, trying to smooth them out. Thank goodness it wasn't a lot of them, but I was able to remove them and continue smoothing my fabric. Once I had done that, this is what it's looking like. Now I will cut and trim the fabric around the glass, and then I will cover the fabric with Mod Podge glue. And again, guys, I will be generous with the glue. Guys, if you like the content that I have put out in this video so far, give me a thumbs up for a like. And this is what we have so far. Now, while the glass surface dries, we're going to work on the tray. This tray is wood, and it did have some kind of finish on it, and I was thinking maybe I should have sanded it, lightly sanded the surface a little bit, but because of the finish that's on this tray, I needed to apply 3 coats of the black acrylic paint. And this is a gloss paint, guys. Once I was finished painting the surface and applied all the coats that I needed, I moved forward with applying the foil gilding paper. So I just put a light coat of the Mod Podge glue all across the top edge of the tray. Then I go ahead and put the foil in place. And I just lay it across the top and pat down the sides gently with my fingers. Hey, if you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed yet, please do. What are you waiting for, guys? After this video, I will be doing, on my next video, I will be announcing the beginning and end date for the giveaway contest for achieving 2,000 subscribers. Again, thank you guys so much to all of you who have subscribed, all of my current subscribers and new subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. So right here, after I have all of my foil in place, I just let it dry for about a good hour and a half. Then I went back and dusted off all of the loose pieces, and this is what we have. Now I'm going to take it outside and give it a good spray of this clear gloss, which will help seal the paint and the foil. I also applied a couple of coats of that clear gloss to the back of my glass. And guys, once I have put all my pieces together, this is the final result. Wow, guys, I think this future DIY project turned out beautiful. Let me know in the comments if you like how this project turned out too. I really like this. And it turned out just the way I imagined it. Guys, I want you to stay tuned for my next video, because that is when I will be announcing the start and giveaway date for our contest. And I hope that you all will be participating, or I hope I get enough of you to participate. And the prize for that giveaway will be a gift card and one of the DIY projects that I do. And I will be letting you know also what prize that will be exactly. And so just stay tuned, guys. So if you like the content that I put out in my video today for my first future DIY project series, let me know in the comments below and give me a thumbs up for a like. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe and tap that notification bell if you haven't already, or if you are a subscriber and you haven't tapped the notification bell, please do, so you can stay posted on the giveaway announcements. And guys, I will see you in the next DIY video. Bye bye.